Philippines, Bicol. So now we are here to introduce you our new baby. I don't know, I'm just gonna say baby, but it's one of the important things for me, so I called it baby. So I have my second mixer. So here in Saudi Arabia, and thank God, Riyadh has a 50 to 75% off discounts everywhere here, especially in Riyadh Gallery, Hyatt Mall, all the malls here. So I don't know if some of them have this kind of discounts right now in the mall. So we got also the mixer in Excite, but there's a promo. Yeah, he said no, because I'm with him when I got this, and he also don't want to pay for it. But it's mine. It's in conjugal property. There's a prenup. And there's a judge. He said, order in the court. It's for my dad. No, it's mine. I'm gonna put in the box like, guys, so we will never say anything. No, we're just having fun, guys. So, yeah, my kitten is behaved now, so we're gonna start it now. So, this is the mixer from Excite. Before, I thought Excite and Extra here in Riyadh are the same or like sister company, but they said no. So, we're gonna unbox now the PANASONIC MK GB1 stand mixer. So, yan siya, guys. Yay! So, we also have a lot of stuff I'm gonna show you later, but the important thing right now is our mixer. So, why and where I should have to use this PANASONIC MK GB1 mixer. So, as of you know, guys, I'm planning with a small business, and I'm trying keep on practicing how to bake, how to, to improve myself as not a chef. Oh, come on, guys, it's not like that. Come on. I need also to study. I keep on trying to enroll in some culinary stuff here, but because I'm busy and I'm also like fixing some documents of mine, that's why I am so busy. So, and we also struggle some problems, but it's okay, we're gonna be past. So now we're gonna open and unbox the PANASONIC MK GB1 mixer. So let's go, guys, and let's open this thing. Ta-da! Here we go, guys. We have our PANASONIC MK GB1 stand-in mixer. It came from Excite, and here is the 2-year warranty. So you should have to keep this warranty, guys, if ever there's like, something happened to your mixer. And that's the box. PANASONIC MK GB1 have high power with 200 watts, high power 200 watts, and 1.7 long cord, and it's a set 5-speed control, and with 3L bowl with turntable. So that's the box. So now we need to open this incredible and simple mixer for beginners. So here we go, guys. We're gonna open now. Okay, so when we open the box, we have the PANASONIC operating instructions, hand mixer, standard mixer, MKGH1, MKGB1, model MKGH1, MKGB1. Guys. And yeah, and website Panasonic Net, and mayroon siyang barcode. Panasonic Taiwan Co. Limited. Printed in China. And so we have here the instructions and the warranty card and everything. So usually when we're opening something, we are so excited about the stuff. So we have now the bowl, the 3L bowl. So yan siya, right? Matibay siya, and yan. Maganda siya, guys. So 3L siya, and super nice. And next one, we have there's another box, and when we open it, we're gonna figure out this one. So we have this. When we open it, we have our tawag dito, I forgot the name. So ayan siya, meron siyang blades. We have 2 kinds of blades, the usually one, and for the flour. Okay, lagyan natin siya dito. Later on, we're gonna assemble this in the kitchen. The first time I'm gonna use it. So this is the cord. As it says, the cord has 1.7 long cord. Yan siya, guys. Okay, And ito na ating mixer machine. Ayan. Panasonic po siya, guys. Ayan. So, chinek natin siya. Ngayon ko lang siya binuksan. And we have also the maximum level 5 of the mixer. Ayan. High power speed number control 5 siya. So, don't forget to put it always in 0. So, ito yung press. So, dito siya nalalagay yung namaya i-ano ko sa inyo. Dito natin siya muna. So, the last one, guys, is here. The stand. So, the stand is this one. This is the stand. So, medyo maingay, guys, yung mag-ama ko, yung kittens ko and the father. So, we're gonna put it here, the stand, and like that. So, we're gonna try to assemble, guys. Let's go. So, we have time. And there's indication of caution. It says, like, operate with care when moving down the mixer holder. To avoid nipping fingers, do not bring the hand, spatula, or spoon, etc. close to beater during and operating. So, we're gonna try to assemble this. I need the manual, and that's it. This is the one inside the box. Nothing else, guys. So, yeah, there's like the protection and everything. So, we're gonna assemble it now. I don't know if I need my Chihuahua here, but it will be fine. I think Miro is hungry or he wants noodles. I don't know if the stand is like this. No, it's like this. I think like this. Yeah. So, we're gonna put it like that. So, especially, we're gonna put this one, the bowl. So, the bowl should be like this. And then, it depends on us which one we're gonna use. So, they said that this one is the MK GB1. They name it like this, the code of this thing. Wait, guys. Something's wrong. Yeah. This one, guys, they usually use for like mixing or, you know, using egg whites and everything. This one. We call it MKGH1. This one. So, this one, guys, is the MKGB1. No. I'm confused. This one is the MKGH1. Ito lang siya, guys. But when you include this one is the mixer and the stand. It is the MKGB1. Get me? Yeah, I'm sorry. I just a little bit confused. So, yeah. I also experienced using these things to my aunt. She's keep on baking banana cakes in special occasions in our family. And she love also to bake macarons and some cupcakes, brownies, like that. I learned some stuff from my aunt. That's why I love to bake also. And we, our Filipinos or Asians, love it. But yeah, because of the blood from my ancestors, from my family, I also love, I always love for pastry the Japanese hot pancake, the small one, cheesecake, this Japanese cheesecake, guys, the small one in the street. So we're gonna try to put this one. So let's see if it's working. So later on, we're gonna try it in the kitchen because I'm gonna make some caramel, cream caramel or leche flan. So let's gonna try. Yeah, so yeah. Oh my god, I'm sorry again. So wait, yeah, that one is okay now. So you can start now making your delicious cupcakes, and you can use this beautiful Panasonic MKGB1 mixer. For the beginner, guys, so you can use this one. It's so affordable. Before, when it's not sale, the cost of this one is 249 or almost 250 reals. And yeah, if you're gonna convert it, you just have to times 13 or 12 to peso. So that's my new Panasonic mixer. Okay, let's consider it's for us in the house. Yeah, for me to train. And yan, guys, I'm gonna show you some of the video that I'm using this one. So let's go first, and I'm gonna show you something that I brought because it's 50 and 75% sale. There are discount here in Riyadh. Let's go!
So guys, ako'y nagbabalik at idagdag ko na ang aking mga naging nabili sa 20, it's 50 to 75% discount, and dagdag siya sa aking collection para sa baby. So, I have this mold from Sanabola and sa Salimania. And meron akong icing mixer, milker, high-grade stainless steel kitchenware, and milker. So I have also here this one for my table. This one para sa kusina. And I have also this one for ice cube. And ang aking gagamitin para sa pastry na chopping board. No, board lang siya. Hindi ko siya gagamitin chopping board sa kitchen. So, iba po yung ginagamit ko sa kitchen and dito po sa baking, sa pastry. So, I have it na. And this one, fit na fit talaga ako dito. So, this one is from Tavola. The shop for, Tahaliya Street sa Ulaya. Ay, pala sa Limania. I'm sorry guys. So, it's in Ulaya. Okay? So, I have also here the cupcakes, mold cupcakes, silicone. Medyo may pagkamahal pero binili ko siya 12 pieces. And may apat siyang kulay. Yellow, pink, green, which is very kailangan ko sa ano. Meron din akong biniling party bags for my cookies na gagawin ko. And may seal siya guys. So, it's so cute. See? And I'm just preparing and practicing my pastry life. Ayan, magiging pastry chef tayo. And this one is yung pinakamahal kong tawag dito. Pinakamahal kong metallic, ay siyang Chicago Metallic Baking Expert. CM. Meron din siyang, may ginagamit din sa MasterChef. I saw this brand in MasterChef before. So, professional. So, very mahal siya guys. Pero discount na nabili ko. So, I brought also from Victoria's Secret my lingerie and I forgot that one. This one is red. Ayan, sa lingerie, hindi ko makakita. So, yung isa kasi yung leather na wait lang, iskohin ko. Ito siya. From Victoria's Secret also. So, ayan siya guys. Ayan siya. So, ayan. And then, I have also here from Lifties. Thank you, Lifties. Please try sa Lifties. That is, military printed jacket. I'm preparing for winter. I have also the Korean jacket, the pink one. Nandito siya. Ayan. Sa Lifties na siya. And itong short na suot ko is from Lifties din. Ayan siya. So, yeah guys. I also brought a book. You know what you call Demi Lovato book. Yung tagal ko nang hinihintay na libro. I have this, also the guitar. Yung Demi Lovato book, ano siya? Ayan siya. Yung Staying Strong. And I have also this one for helping me painting, for my painting stuff. And as of you know, I love also drawings, paintings, like that. But I'm still working on it. I want to improve a lot. So this one is for my guitar lesson. I'm going to start soon when I have time. But now I'm focused with my cooking, pastry stuff. So thank you guys for watching. And please answer the question and you can win 100 pesos worth of load. Thank you for watching. I love you, Dauntless Army. Subscribe. And follow me to my social media accounts at Dauntless Dice Kishini and DJ Mariposa, Babe DJ Mariposa, in my Facebook fan page. And to my TikTok account, DJ Mariposa. Nandiyan po sila lahat. And thank you for watching. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not yet subscribe to my channel. So sa mga tipid tips and shopping tips, just always tune into my YouTube channel. I love you guys. This is Dauntless Dice from the Chile capital of the Philippines, Bicol, aka DJ Mariposa. Love you!
And here we go. This very, very simple, but you're gonna love this, guys. Ayan siya. Still okay. And so cute. Yeah. Ayan siya, guys. Bago-bago. Sana hindi masira ng aming mga pusa. Ayan siya.
So, I try my Panasonic mixer making some icing for my egg pie. And what I mean is to beat our egg white for my egg pie. So, ayan guys. Napaka-smooth and napaka-floppy nung pagkakamix. And sobrang satisfied for this product. And this mixer pala guys, meron siyang adjustment for the speed. It almost 5 maximum speed para sa ating pagbi-bake. And usually, siguro gagamitin ko to pag nagbi-bake ako ng mga cakes and cupcakes. Also with my favorite cookies. So, thank you Panasonic for this mixer. Thank you sa pag-watch mga Dauntless Army. Sana nakatulong ito sa pagpili nyo sa inyong panibagong mixer. Ayan. Thank you so much guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel And please like and share. Thank you, Dauntless Army. God bless. And don't forget to follow me to my social media accounts, and you can have a chance to get more freebies. So let's go na mga ka-Dauntless Army. Follow me in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Snapchat. Thank you!